Okay, mga kagiti. Oh, kagiti. So, look at the view first. Look at the view. What a nice view. Okay. Today's video is... Here's a little update on our home. As you can see, no? As you can see, the house, look, already has its color, but but the window supposed to be was delivered now, but unfortunately the measurement were not correct, so my husband decided to send him back kay bati man siya. I mean the measurement, but there is problem, so they will come back again to kuan. Sa baa sa motor they will come back again to remeasure, okay, because look at this, guys, it's bate yun siya. My husband is already stressed about this because the house doesn't look nice. Yeah, it's true, it doesn't look nice yet without windows, especially since the kids are already staying that room. So manang na-stress akong bana, guys, kaya batik gid siya, no. As of now, we only have one worker because we are waiting for funds to come and before hiring more people, so everything is really moving slowly. So ayaw lang sa dyan nag-atiman na kay mga kuhan dyan kay gamay ra dyan kay na nga pagkausab ron sa balay, no, kay usala man dyan ang mga worker. Okay, some parts already look okay, including the window look in this area and the paint, although I think it still needs one more coat to be fully finished. I'm not sure as what I know ba, marag na pa siya last coat para ma-finish na siya. Okay, so and also we also set up a small table on our private porch, if you can see that, so we can receive visitors there since the house is not yet done. So for now, aras kami din mag-receive og visitors if ever we have visitors. Look at that. Diba? Paano na siya, guys? And look at here, there's no color yet. My God, dako pa siyang kulang. And we also started working on our dirty kitchen and already ordered cabinets so we can organize our things. The cabinets are on the way soon, maybe, I don't know when they finish the cabinet, but because we only have one worker, progress is slow, so di lang jud ta magdali-dali, no. After this, the next task will be the flooring in our guest room. Our guest room is here, and as of now we use that for ari na mo ihay-hay abong clothes kay empty pa man siya, then wala man jud kuan, so mao na siya, guys. And my God, dili siya madali-dali, so we're taking everything step by step. We're not dato. Oh, here's the worker, Michael. Okay, and we're not dato, we're doing this by little by little. The house is not our only priority, so there's no rush. What matter is what we are moving forward. The good news is that our old doors are already complete. So if you can see that, it's complete na. That's our room. That's the washing area. And that's Eunice's room. So mao pa na siya nahuman karon, and that's their bathroom. Of course, the boys' room. So okay, and bird that is from our dirty kitchen. So we just put in here because there's the table. We don't have place to put in there. And yeah, that's our front door. The front door is to gas. That's very heavy, guys. And this here is our half bath. So half bath, and this one is pantry. I think here it's basura. Yeah, basura. So, and this door is going to the garage. Going to the garage, and if you can see, there's no floor yet. Garage and the guest room door. So, yeah. We're the miss, guys. So, yeah, that's the update as of now, guys, because you know, for now is not just the only, I mean, not the only, and not the house, it's our priority. So we have other priority for the pod, other priorities sa among financial, sa among kuan, basta. And especially now na akong bana daghan siya mga appointment na umaabot. So hinahanglan may magsibsib na man siya kwarta, dako man siya madawat every month, but naigingon nga kupot lang jud kay usahay pud no nga karon na kwarta pero wala pa naabot sa bangko, so mahutdan jud mi kwarta sa bulsa. Yung manang na siya kwartang maabot, if ever maabot na siya, so magharmig mga tao na sad to finish the house and the gate. So moro jud na siya, guys. Then karon dili lang jud ta magdali-dali mga marites, no. So ana lang jud kay saon man daghan man tag kan ang palitunon natay mga bahinan pud sa atong kwarta, mauni atong kinahanglan paliton ng bula. So hi, by the way guys, if you can see here, there is no skim coat yet because amo sang gipastop this area. We prioritize our dirty kitchen to be finished now, so we can put everything, our things in the cabinets, because we ordered already the cabinet. So hopefully next month all is done na, the cabinet ba. So guys, if you can see that view, guys, oh look at the view. And yeah, of course, this area here, it's our swimming pool soon. And that is our gate. We put our gate. And this area here, as we hear that there is a foreigner who own that place, so hopefully they will build here too. So and yeah, so that's it. So that's the update as of now sa amo ang balay-balay, no. Dili pa jud na nato matawag og balay, it's because it's not finished yet man. So kung ato na siyang tawgon og balay or mansion, so moingon na pud sila na hamburger ako. So much better na moingon na lang ko, okay, balay-balay, okay. So wala na siya, guys. Sa karon pagod, guys, no, daghan pa kami priority nga inhanglan paliton. So wala man tanag dali sa ang amo ala. Importante is na nami kwarto, na nay katulgan ng mga bata, safety na. So kontento na ko, ana, kontento na ko na naami kapuyan, kontento na ko makakaon sa kadlaw katulo, maka-jerjer og kalima kapulo aw unsa ba. So adyan na siya dayon. Sa mga tao man nga moingon na ako kung mag-flex ko, kung sa akong i-flex, moingon nga hamburger ako or sana din ha, kay lagi dili akong kwarta. Oo, dili akong kwarta, tinuod na sa akong nang bana. Pero kung ikaw sa akong side, imo manang bana, so siguro manggilabot na po kasi ha. O diba, mo nang usahay makuyawan na akong magpuspos din hey, kay daghan mang moingon no mao ni hambugera unsa ba din hay, ambisyosa unsa pa na din mga Israeli na oy. Ay da kakapoy bang paminawon. So wala na ta, dili na jud ta ana kuan makalihay, kay bisan asa naman unsa naman nga words na inyong gipang bato sa kuha. Daghan mang naminyo mga babae din ha, maski dili foreigner ilang bana, nagahulat raman og sweldo sa ilahang bana. So asa naman ko ani napita mo lugar, okay. So karon ang ko lang ay kasulti sa inyo ha, kana inyong gipang bato sa kuha, murag dili na para ako para nas inyong kagalingon, okay. Nya kay kung moingon pa mo nga hamburger ako unsa lang ba ni ha, So tanan akong gipanghatagan, gipangtabangan, siguro ako na nag-post kay nag-content creator ko. Siguro makakita mo diha nga I was posted video for my husband that he's helping others or what he's give. Para makahibaw ka, I just proud my husband that inana siya, sharing siya, because you know he's not the same our culture. So I'm proud to my husband that he's sharing people, take share siya, giver siya, or samban siya, inana na siya. So more na siya akong gipost, kay gina-proud na ko sa akong pares kay not all foreigners na mo help sa isig kaingon nato, di ba? So maura na siya, dili sa ingon na akong gipost for panghambog, for to brag or what, dili na siya. So kana usba inyong mindset kay kung ako pa lang hambugira, tanan na akong gikuan din akong tanan pa lang followers na ako or followers na ako ang gipang tagaan, gipang tabangan ako, kung comment pa lang sila din sa uban man, kung wala man naka-comment siguro makaingon mo ay dili di ay kay kung hambugira pa ko tanan daghan na ka akong gi-post no para sa ubang vlogger nga ilang ipang post nga nitabang sila. So ako wala man kuana, so it's not my kuan. Sa inyohang mga words nga gipang bato sa ako, wala ko nasakitan, kundi ang ako lang ikasulti sa inyo dili na ako, dili man sakit para na ako. Basin mo ingon mo kung wala ko nasakitan nganong akong giyaw-yaw diri, wala lang, gipasabot lang tamo nga dili na ako, ipasabot lang tamo sa akong kagalingon nga ako dili ko nga ng pagkatao. So ingon na siya guys, dayon. So mo na to siya guys, then yeah, puhon if ever na ang kwarta. So magkuha na po may mga workers to finish this. Hopefully na mahuman na tanan. Okay guys, then sorry about my sorry about my English, because English is not my language. My first language, I am Bisaya, so bear with me. Okay, so sorry about the mess here in the house. And yeah, I make this vlog and I speak English because I want my husband to understand, because sometimes he say, why, what is this, what is that mean? I don't understand, I cannot understand. So okay, so look at the view guys, nice siya. So mura na siya guys, so maingon na po na bugir ako, misalan din na. Oh, bahala na mo din ako. Basta, reflex lang good ko. Gipabalo na ito mga mo na siya. Dayon, kung makakuan mo, no, ang kana siya, wala pa na siya ceiling or isa ba. Kaya kung ba na nagpaabot sa kuan, kaya yan yung gusto niya spray foam. So, mura na siya guys. Dayon, kana di ay kulangan pa na nga. Kanang plywood din, ay isa na, kanang wood din ha, para go up until that, oh. So, game mo na siya. So, kani din is game mo na namang private porch. O, kani siya, if you can see that hole, soon we will put the bathtub here. May bathtub na, para ari siya magkuan, kaya kanang na siya maligo sa kanang init tubig. So, ako siyang ikuan diha, para sa iyang joint pain ba. And then, diha ka na swimming pool. So, nindot na siya. Ngayon, basta, nindot o plano. So, may unta. Okay guys, so more na sa karon. Hasog lang. That's it. So our house is not finished yet. Okay, bye Mortes. Mwah.